Have you ever imagined yourself living in a country that is ranked one of the happiest places on earth? A country where work-life balance isn't just a dream, but a daily lifestyle, where the air is fresh, the healthcare is world-class, and opportunities exist even for people coming from outside Europe. Now, what if I told you that right now, there is a pathway that could connect you directly with employers in this beautiful country? A pathway that not only helps you secure a job, but also guides you through the entire visa and residence permit process. This isn't one of those complicated, confusing stories you've heard before. This is real, verified, and available for international applicants who are ready to take a bold step forward. Stay with me to the very end because I'm going to reveal the exact agency that does this, how we can apply, and why this opportunity is different from the hundreds of agencies out there. Let's start with the country itself, Denmark. Denmark is consistently ranked among the happiest nations in the world. Denmark is known for its green spaces, clean energy, and an incredible work culture that values balance. Imagine having a career where you are not burned out working 12-hour shifts every day, but instead you actually have time for family, for hobbies, and for yourself. Denmark has a reputation for being welcoming to internationals, especially those who bring skills, experience, or even just a willingness to work and grow. And guess what? Many Danish companies are open to hiring from overseas, provided you go through the right channels. But here is the challenge. Navigating visas, work permits, and legal requirements can feel like a maze. You need someone who understands the system, who knows the employers, and who can hold your hand through the entire journey. And that, my friend, is where today's secret comes in. Let's be honest, many of you watching right now have tried applying for jobs abroad. Maybe you've sent out hundreds of CVs to companies across Europe. Maybe you've even spoken to so-called recruiters who promise the world but disappear when it comes to real visa sponsorship. It can be frustrating, it can be disheartening, and for some, it feels like the dream of moving abroad is slipping away. But what if I told you there's an agency based right there in Denmark that specializes in connecting foreign applicants like you to real Danish employers? Not only do they collect the requirements and match you with the right employers, but they also assist you with your CV, forward it to the companies, arrange interviews. And the best part, they don't just leave you stranded after the interview. They actually help you with the paperwork, yes, the work and residence permits that you need to legally live and work in Denmark. This sounds different, right? Well, stay tuned because I'll review exactly who they are soon. Before we dive deeper, let's pause for a second and picture what your life could look like in Denmark. Imagine cycling to work on safe bike lanes, surrounded by beautiful architecture and clean canals. Imagine sending your kids to school that are free and ranked among the best in the world. Imagine healthcare that doesn't drain your pocket and a society where equality, respect, and balance are core values. And if you are thinking, but I don't speak Danish, don't worry. Many Danish workplaces operate in English, especially when it comes to industries that rely on international talent. This isn't just about getting a job, it's about building a future in a place where quality of life is at the top of the agenda. Now I know that you are thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get in? Which employers will take me seriously? Who will help me with the paperwork? That's where opportunities today stands out. Unlike random online jobs, these agencies have direct connections with Danish companies. They act as a bridge, your stepping stone between your current life and your future in Denmark. Before I proceed further and tell you how it works, if you are coming across the channel for the very first time, my name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you live, work, and study abroad. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, you know how we do it here. We give you guys legit info, verified links. So please feel free to like this video so that YouTube can promote this video to a wider audience. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. I reply and respond to all of them. Our WhatsApp channel is now live. If you are interested in becoming a member of the channel, you can join our WhatsApp channel. Okay, for those that need care certificate courses for free, the link is already in our WhatsApp channel. And if you want to have or reach me one-on-one, you can join my channel membership, where I get to guide you and mentor exclusively to make sure that your dream abroad is real. Okay, so without further ado, let's proceed. Here's how it works. Step 1, you submit your details, your CV, and your work preferences. Step 2, they analyze your profile and connect you with suitable employers in Denmark. Step 3, if selected, they forward your CV, arrange interviews, and prepare you. Step 4, after securing the job, they take care of guiding you through the work and residence permit process so that you are legally ready to relocate. This isn't a shortcut, it's a structured, legitimate path, and that's exactly why internationals like you should pay close attention. Now, before I reveal the name of this agency, let me quickly remind you, if you are serious about moving abroad for work, you don't want to miss out on the extra value I share in my membership community. Inside, you'll find exclusive resources, direct verified links, personal guidance, and insider updates that I don't always share publicly on YouTube. Joining is simple. Just click the membership link in my description or the pinned comment below this video. Trust me, if you are serious about making 2025 the year you finally relocate, you want a part of this. Alright, you've been patient, and here it is. The agency I've been talking about is called New Workers. They are based in Denmark. Yes, New Workers is an official recruitment agency that connects foreign applicants with Danish companies. They don't just find you a job, they guide you through interviews, forward your CV, and most importantly, they assist with the legal paperwork for work and residence permit. This means you are not left alone to figure out the immigration maze. They stand with you, step by step, making sure you're legally and properly settled in Denmark. And the best part, this pathway is open to international candidates, not just the EU citizens. Okay, so how do you get started? Head straight to the official website, link in my pinned comment and also my description. On their site, you'll find contact details and the process to submit your CV application. If you're ready to take action, don't delay. Opportunities like this can fill up so fast. And as always, I've left the direct verified links in the pinned comment and in the video description for your convenience. Let me leave you with these thoughts, okay? Opportunities don't always knock twice. Denmark is opening its doors, and agencies like New Workers are creating bridge for people just like you. If you've been praying for a sign, this might just be it. Take that step, submit your CV, start the journey, because your dream of working and living in a better country doesn't have to stay a dream. It can become your reality. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. I'm here to guide you, and New Workers is there to work with you through the process. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay prepared, and I will see you in my next video. You don't want to miss my video coming up on Wednesday, so turn on your bell notification, okay? 7 p.m. Wednesday. You don't want to miss that video, okay? Jesus loves you, and I really love you as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.